my friends. I'm going to shut the door. Let's come on to our mats. Find that Sukhasana, that comfy pose. If you need to use pillows or blocks, if you need to sit on a block to lift your glutes, to elevate them, to take pressure off of your hip flexors. If your knees hang out up here, support them with blocks or pillows or blankets. Trying to bring the easy to this pose. We will place the hands right here on the thighs for just a minute and begin to gently stack one vertebra on top of the other, growing tall, rolling the shoulders back and down. In some of my classes, like the class we just did, Strengthen and Stretch with Slow Flow, we are in tallness with activation. We're activating all of our muscles. But in this class, I want us to stack each vertebra, to be in tallness with the shoulders back and the neck in line with the spine, but also in softness too, right? You don't have to be all active. Stack the joints, engage the core as needed so you do not overarch the back, and close the eyes and just feel the sits bones grounded into the mat, right? Your glutes grounded. Maybe you can already feel the heat building between your palms and your thighs. On your next inhale, you can energetically, gently lift the crown of the head closer to the ceiling, creating more space in the neck, more space between the ears and the shoulders. When you exhale, allow the shoulders to roll back and down, ground the sits bones. And then inhale, grow a little taller each time, right? Even if it's just energetically.